Calling all treat lovers and flavor adventurers. Prepare to be captivated by the irresistible allure of a Rice Krispie treat. In a world where crispy meets gooey, where simplicity dances with creativity, we embark on a journey to create the most tantalizing Rice Krispie treats you've ever experienced. I can't wait to snack on these, so let's get started today on the Stay-at-Home Chef. To start, we need 3 main ingredients. The first main ingredient is 5 cups of Rice Krispie cereal, and I'm going to add that straight to a large mixing bowl. These humble grains are the blank canvas that we're going to transform into magic. Our next ingredient is butter, and I'm using 1/4 cup of salted butter, and I'm going to place that right into a saucepan over medium heat. We want to let this butter completely melt. Give that a little stir as it's melting. We're gonna add in our third ingredient, which is 4 cups of baby marshmallows. We're gonna stir this continuously until these fluffy delights turn into a sauce, which will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Our mixture has melted and become smooth, and it looks amazing. So what we're gonna do next is, we're gonna remove that from the heat. Now here's where the real fun begins. You can take that sticky mixture and just simply pour it over that cereal, or you can take it up a notch. You can add in some wet ingredients like 1/2 cup of peanut butter or 1/2 cup of Nutella straight to that sticky mixture and stir it until it's well combined and pour it over that cereal. Or you can elevate it by adding in some classic treats such as M&Ms or Reese's Pieces bits. To add in the candy pieces, first you're gonna add that sticky mixture to the cereal, then gently fold that cereal into it until it's all evenly coated. Once that sticky mixture has coated that cereal perfectly and it's mixed well, we're gonna add in about 1/2 cup to a cup based off of your preference of that candy, and I am using the M&Ms for today's Rice Krispie treats. Go ahead and mix that together. Let your creative juices flow and add in whatever you want, like chopped nuts, caramel drizzle, or chocolate. You can't go wrong. Just don't get too crazy. Our masterpiece is mixed to perfection, so now lightly grease an 8x8 pan, or you could use a 9x13 pan. Then add that mixture right to that pan. Then I like to use a piece of parchment paper and gently press that into the pan. But you don't want to press too hard because then they become really hard and rip the roof of your mouth open. Nobody likes a rock hard Rice Krispie treat, so make sure you follow these ratios and you'll have the most perfect tender, chewy Rice Krispie treat. Get adventurous and try some today. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.